Hey guys, how you doing? I'm just doing a video here on how to upgrade your original prop, which is this one, to the WAYDOO Fly 1 Plus prop using the new prop upgrade kit. It comes with the less than 90 kilogram prop, but also the plus 90 kilogram prop, which you can see here, I've already installed. So inside the kit you get two new props, the plus 90 kilogram and less than 90 kilogram prop. You also get the shroud, you get the nose cone and a new rear wing mount. Before you get started, you're going to need a couple of tools. You're going to need a metric Allen key set, a set of pliers and a plumber's wrench. You'll also find that it might help to have a can of WD-40.
So first thing you need to do to remove the prop is make sure that the prop is held in place. Place the Allen key through the nose cone and then push hard to rotate and loosen it. Once you've loosened it, you can then remove it by hand and just take it off. The prop actually comes off fairly easily, and you'll see that from use you end up getting a little bit of build-up, potentially a little bit of rust in there that can get in between things, and that's why the WD-40 can be handy. So once you've removed your propeller, you now need to remove the locking pin. This can also have build-up that makes it really difficult to remove, so you might need to use a wrench. To do that, just place it over the top, give it a good push. The bolt comes free and you may be able to pull it out with your hand, but if not, get your pliers and remove the pin. You can see there it was a little bit stuck. So once you've removed the pin, you now need to remove these bolts. Get your Allen key into place, loosen them all up one at a time, and then they come out. Once they've all come out, you then need to remove this housing. This housing can be stuck on and quite difficult to remove. You can see that there's a lot of glue that they use to hold that on, and the first time you take that off, it'll actually be really difficult. You might have to slowly lever it off a bit, and then eventually work it off. It just doesn't come off easily.
And then all you need to do is remove the rear wing bracket by simply removing these 4 screws. The final stage of the installation is to fit the rear tail wing. Screw it down with the 4 screws provided, fit the shroud, hand tighten the hex nuts with the Allen key, fit the cross pin, making sure that it's nice and evenly positioned, put on the propeller and then screw that down with the nose cone, making sure that that's nice and tight. And there you go, there you have it. One installed plus 90 kilogram prop, good to go. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the upgrade video. If you liked what you saw, give us a big thumbs up, it means a lot. And if you've got any comments, leave them in the section below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And lastly, if you found it useful and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and keep ahead of all the latest videos. Now, if you want to get one of these upgrade kits, just go to your local dealer. I'll get one out to you real fast. If you're in Australia, check out futuremovement.co. They're a good bunch of guys and they'll look after you. Lastly, to those who are sitting on the fence thinking about e-foiling but aren't doing it yet, stop watching the videos, stop thinking about it, just buy yourself one. They're a great investment, you're going to have a good time. But whatever you do, stay smiling, have a good time and enjoy yourself. You.